Okay, today I am starting with a very important topic that is very important for you from the point of both the government public service examination as well as to augment your knowledge about India. So today I am starting from India. So we can say that to the north of west of India is Great Indian Desert. Okay, this is the Great Indian Desert, and Great Indian Desert is in Rajasthan. You can see the Great Indian Desert. Okay, that is in Rajasthan, and we can say that to the west of it is Pakistan. Okay, and you can see the Sindh here. So this is your Great Indian Desert. So we can also say that Great Indian Desert is in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan share its border with Pakistan to the west. Okay, now after Great Indian Desert, there is Rajasthan Bagar. Okay, here you can see that there is a Rajasthan Bagar is there. Okay, then there is Abu Hills, and then there is Aravalli Range. Okay, now if you will move further down, then there is Mewar Plateau. So here you can see that here is your Mewar. Mewar, W-A-R, Mewar Plateau. Okay, and to the further south of this is a Chambal. You can see that this is a Chambal River, and yes. So what is so special about the Aravallis range? So these are one of the oldest range in India. Okay, then here you can see that there is a Malwa Plateau. So don't confuse between Malabar and Malwa. So this is your Malwa Plateau. Okay, and that this Malwa is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then Bhopal is very close to Malwa Plateau. Okay, then if we move further south of that is south of east of Malwa Plateau, then we will find Vindhyas range. You can see the Vindhyas range is there. Vindhyas range. Okay. Now to the south of Vindhyas range is Narmada River, and you can also see Betwa. Okay, this Betwa is a tributary of the Ganga, because finally this Betwa it is a tributary of Yamuna. So Betwa is the tributary of Yamuna, and you can see that Betwa is joining Yamuna. Further, we can see that Chambal is also the tributary of Yamuna, because Chambal is also joining Yamuna there. Okay. So yes. So now if you will move further south of Vindhyas, then there is a Satpura range. So Satpura range is coming both in where the Satpura range is coming. So Satpura range, as you can see, is some part is in Maharashtra, and further it is somewhat going up to whole of Maharashtra. Satpura range is Maharashtra. Then south of Satpura range is Ajanta range, and you must have heard about Ajanta and Ellora. That is very popular. So here you can see your Ajanta range is also there, and to the south of Ajanta is a Godavari river. So this is one of the longest. This is the longest river in southern India, Godavari. Okay, so now you have to know about the origin of the Godavari, where it originates and where it drains. So Godavari drains into Bay of Bengal. So you can see here the Godavari drains into Bay of Bengal. Okay, then I have also covered have you heard about Satmehla range? So here you can see that there will be the Satmehla range. Satmehla range is very close to Nasik. Okay, Satmehla range. Then as you move to the south, then you will find the biodiversity hotspot of India. So this is your Western Ghat, which is a biodiversity hotspot of India. Okay, and this is your Eastern Ghat, to the east of India. So what are some of the important point of Western Ghat? So this region is called as a Konkan coast. Okay, Konkan up to the Panaji, Goa. Okay, Goa to Mumbai. So Mumbai is also coming into Konkan coast, and Goa is also coming into Konkan coast. Then after Goa, uh, if you move further southward, then you can see Malabar coast is there. This is your Malabar coast, okay? Malabar coast up to the Lakshadweep, and you can see that to the south of west of India is Lakshadweep. Okay, this is the group of island which belongs to India. Okay, and what is some important thing like Tungabhadra, like there is Panaji and there is a Tungabhadra lake is there. So we will cover all about Tungabhadra. Where is Mahabaleshwar? So the origin of Krishna River is in Mahabaleshwar, that is in Maharashtra. So Mahabaleshwar is also on to the Western Ghat. Okay, Mahabaleshwar is also onto the Western Ghat, and the origin of Krishna River is on Mahabaleshwar. Now we can see Anai. If you move further south, then here you will find Anai Mudi. Okay, this is Anai Mudi is also in Western Ghat. Okay, the Nilgiri Hills are there. Here you can see that in Kerala and Tamil Nadu both. So you can see on the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu there is Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills. Okay. Annamalai Hills is also there. Annamalai Hills is also here in south in this region. Annamalai Hills. Okay. Then Nilgiri Hills is also in Western Ghat. Then further, if you will move upward, then there is a Bangalore here. Okay, Bangalore. Then there is Telangana Plateau is here. Telangana Plateau is here, and you can see the Krishna River here. Okay, I have been talking about the Krishna River. So, Krishna River originates from Mahabaleshwar and flows into Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now, I think that yes, if you move further south of India, then you can see that this is your Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka and India. In between Sri Lanka and India, there is a Gulf of Mannar. Here you can see there is a Gulf of Mannar, and this is your Palk Strait. Palk Strait is a small, narrow of water which is separating India from Sri Lanka. Okay. Now move somewhat to the north. Then we can say that here you will find my Kala range is there. Okay, so my Kala range, and where is my Kala range? In which state it is there? So it is coming somewhat in Chhattisgarh as well as Madhya Pradesh. My Kala range. Then Chota Nagpur Plateau. You must have heard about Chota Nagpur Plateau. That is in Jharkhand. Chota Nagpur Plateau is in Jharkhand. So yes, Chota Nagpur. So what is the important city on Chota Nagpur Plateau? So Ranchi is an important city on Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, and Ranchi is also the capital of Jharkhand. And to the west of Chota Nagpur Plateau is Ramgarh Hill. So to the west of Chota Nagpur Plateau is, here you can see Ramgarh Hill is there, and here is also Ranchi Plateau is also there. Okay. Then to the east of Chota Nagpur is Subarna Rekha River, and Subarna Rekha River flows through two states, Jharkhand and West Bengal. So Subarna Rekha is also passing through Midnapur, that is Kharagpur, and yes, that is in West Midnapur in Kharagpur. Then there is a Rajmela Hill that is in West Bengal. Okay, and if you move further to the south of West Bengal, then you will find Sundarban. So Sundarban is a largest mangrove forest. So a greater part is in Bangladesh, and some part is in India. So this is your Sundarban, and you will find here the mouth of Ganga. There is a Ganga drains here in Sundarban. Okay, in Sundarban area of west of Bangladesh. Okay, so you can see that the Ganga is coming from here, and further Padma. It is known as Padma in West Bengal, and finally it drains into Bay of Bengal. And then you can see Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hill. So we can say this is the Garo Hill, and this is the Khasi Hill, and this is the Jaintia Hill. So in the northeastern part of India, we are having Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. So what is this region? Meghalaya region. So this region is your Meghalaya region. So we can say that Garo, Khasi and Jaintia are in Meghalaya region. Okay, and this is your Tripura, and this is your Mizoram. This is called as a Mizo hill. Okay, let me make it somewhat clear. This is your Tripura, and this is called your Mizoram. So this is called as a Mizo hill. And then there is Manipur is here, Manipur, and then further to the north of this is a Nagaland, and hence this region is your Naga hill is there. Then to the north of Naga hill we are having Patkai Bum, and Patkai Bum is in somewhat in Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, then there is a Brahmaputra river. You can find that this is the course of the Brahmaputra river, and finally that Brahmaputra also joins with Ganga in Bangladesh. Here is your Ganga and here is your Brahmaputra. These both joins together in Bangladesh, and finally it flows as Padma to Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now you can find the highest that is here is your Kanchenjunga, that is in Sikkim. This is a beautiful place, okay, in Sikkim. So both Darjeeling and Sikkim. Darjeeling is in West Bengal and Sikkim is in another state. So that is a beautiful area for the tourist. So a lot of beautiful places are there in in Darjeeling. So Darjeeling is in West Bengal. So you can go to Darjeeling, and from Darjeeling you can move to Sikkim. Okay. So if I talk about the Darjeeling, how you will go to the Darjeeling? So first you have to go to which area? Jalpaiguri. From Jalpaiguri or from Siliguri. You can also go to Siliguri, and from Siliguri you can go to either Sikkim by taking Tata Sumo or any car, especially tourist car is there. So you can go to Sikkim, or you can go to Darjeeling. That is on the hill, and you can see one of the highest peak is there in Sikkim, Kanchenjunga. Its height is 8,598 meters. Okay. And this is your plain of Ganga. Okay, plain of Ganga is being shared by Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So you can see that in the plain of Ganga a lot of rivers are there. So you can see that this is a Yamuna river in the plain of Ganga, then Ganga itself, then Sarda river is there, Ghagra river is there, okay, Gandak river is there, then Kosi is there. So Kosi flows through Katihar and Purnia, and Kosi is also called as the curse of Bihar because Kosi is also called the curse of Bihar because Kosi, this is a Kosi, it changes its course of direction and always is a cause of flood in Bihar. So all the flooding of the northern plain of Bihar is caused by this Kosi. Okay, and all these are the tributaries of Ganga. So what happens that Kosi, Gandak, these all combine in the mainstream of Ganga, and thus increases the volume of Ganga. So we say that Gandak and Kosi, these two are the tributaries of Ganga, and that is in Bihar. So when I will cover the state of Bihar, I will cover Gandak and Kosi, and to which district Gandak and Kosi flows through Gandak, Kosi and Ghagra. And you can see also Ghagra is also there, that is also joining Ganga. I think that Ghagra joins Ganga in Ara district, perhaps, I'm not sure, but get it confirmed that Ghagra is also there, it is joining Ganga. So I think that up to this point it must be clear to you. Now let's consider some of the ranges of Himalaya. Okay, we are moving to the north, and yes, let's see some of the ranges of Himalaya. Okay, so you can see that yes, Karakoram is there. You can see Karakoram. Okay, so we can say that yes, here's the Karakoram, and you will see that to the north of, you can see that to the north of, west of Karakoram is Hindu Kush mountain. Okay, to the north of west of Karakoram is Hindu Kush mountain, and to the north of east of Karakoram is your Kunlum range. Okay, so Karakoram, we can say K2, whose height is 8,611, is in Karakoram range. Okay, then you can see that to the south of Karakoram is Ladakh range, and then Zaskar mountain is there, and you can say that Srinagar is in Pir Panjal range. So we can, so Pir Panjal range, Srinagar is in Pir Panjal range, and then there is coming Shivalik range. Okay, you can also see Shivalik range is there, and then you can see that the Himalaya is all there in the Nepal. Okay. So once again, I can say that to the north of west of India, there will be the Hindu Kush mountain. That Hindu Kush will be in Afghanistan. Okay, and to the north of east of India will be the Kunlun mountain, and that will be in China. Okay, that is in Tibetan plateau. To the north of west of Tibetan plateau, actually this part will be your Kunlun mountain. Okay, then Srinagar is in Pir Panjal range. Then to the further south there is a Shivalik range. You can see the Shivalik range is there. This is your Shivalik range. Okay, and from to the south of this Shivalik range there will start the plain, that is a Punjab plain. Okay, and you can see the 5 rivers that is going through Pakistan. So this is your Satluj. To the very south is a Satluj. Then there is a Ravi. So Satluj and Ravi also flows through the state of Punjab. And then further north is your Chenab, and there is a Jhelum. Chenab and Jhelum is flowing through the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And then to the further north you can see that this is your Indus. Okay, that is coming through your Karakoram range. Indus. Okay, Karakoram range. Indus is coming from your Karakoram range, and that is actually coming from Tibet plateau. Okay, so Indus is coming from Tibet plateau. It is flowing something like yes, this is flowing something like this, and then from Karakoram it is finally joins here. So we can say that Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj, all these rivers join Indus at this point in Pakistan, and finally Indus drain into your Arabian Sea. So that is very important that your Indus is finally draining into your Arabian Sea. So here you can see that this is the drainage of the Indus, and that is draining into your Arabian Sea. So we can say that the mouth of Indus, or we can also say what that is called. Yes, mouth of Indus is also called the drainage. So finally the Indus drains into Arabian Sea, and one of the important city of Pakistan, that is Karachi, is also based is situated on the drainage, or yes, what that area is called, I am forgetting that. Let's get conformity about that. Okay, so I think that up to this point is very sufficient. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment. Yes, one thing I also wanted to tell you about the Gujarat. So you can see that to the west of India is Gujarat, and this is your Gir range. Okay, and Gir range is very important because we can say that Gir lions are there. So one of the species of lions are in Gir range, and then there is coming Rann of Kutch. This is your Rann of Kutch area. Okay, and this is called as a Gulf of Kutch. This area is your Gulf of Kutch, and this area is called as Gulf of Cambot. Okay, let me get sure. This area, this water body is called as a Gulf of Cambot. Okay, so we can say that the Gir range and the western, that is this part, what is called, this is called as the mainland, Gujarat. So we can say Gir range and the mainland of this area is being separated by Gulf of Cambot. Okay, so and then there is coming the Deccan Plateau, and I think that you must have heard about Deccan Plateau. Okay, so I think that if you have any comment, please ask in the comment section, or else like and subscribe. Thank you very much.